Hey guys, this is Ryan with Cars Remember When. I got a beautiful 1968 Lincoln Suicide Continental here for you today. This is a really nice example. It's got a really nice white paint finish, blue interior, 460 engine. It's got air conditioning. It's got some nice aftermarket American racing wheels, drums in the back, disc in the front. This is getting towards the end of this run for the four-door Suicide Continental. I believe 68 or 69 was the last year they offered it. Beautiful body lines. So I'm gonna hop in and fire it up here for you. This thing's pretty loaded, very luxurious. These cars were definitely ahead of their time when they were new. Fires up nice. Good sounding engine. You have air conditioning. The air conditioning, surprisingly, in this car works very well, but it only will blow through the floor. It will not blow, the vent controls do not work, so it will not get any defroster vents. It only comes through the floor. But as you can hear it, it blows very strong. It gets it pretty cold in here pretty quick. Other features include you have power vent windows. Pretty slick. That's about as cool as it gets. Power windows. They work very well, very fast, just like you'd want to have. Recently changed the oil back in June. Back in June we changed the oil. I don't believe the horn works. No horn. You do have, this is an automatic temp control, which will change it from cold to hot. You have your radio over here. You got your wipers. Stereo system here in the middle. Door jambs are in really good shape. I think one of these is for an antenna. I haven't tried it yet. We'll give it a shot. You also down here have a cruise control. I don't know if that works or not. Power locks, these are vacuum operated. These are very problematic and well known in the Lincoln community. The power locks do not work. The power locks do not work. They're vacuum operated. The power bench seat does not appear to work either. In any of the directions, it does not seem to move. So keep that in mind when purchasing this vehicle. All right, there you have it. There's your 460 Ford V8 engine. Very good running motor. Plenty of power to get this big car down the road. You can see your AC compressor is engaged there. Compressor looks newer. You got power steering, power brakes. You have a heavy duty aftermarket aluminum radiator. That's what you want to see in there. That keeps this big engine running really nice and cool. Paint and body is super straight. It's not perfect. You can see there's a touch there, touch up there, touch up there. A little bit of touch up here. Not to say there might be a door ding here or there in the body also. It could very well be possible, but it shows very nice. And down here you got some big problems right in there. And you got the iconic suicide doors. Very cool. It's about as cool as it gets. Doors close nice. So again, if you're interested in this Lincoln and want to know the price, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Got 80+ high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. If you have any questions, please give us a call. This is a really nice driving 1968 Suicide Lincoln we have here. So if you're interested, please reach out. Thanks.